The other difference that it also has, its levels or points are also much more than the points of silver.
Yes, we are at Sawnexus offices. Yes. Don't get lost.
80,000 till it does not necessarily mean that you stop on 3 people. No. Even if you add on 1 million people, you will be getting your 80,000 in your account straight. And whenever these people that fetched you 80,000 also do as you did, you are going to be getting 50,000 till 50,000. Christy, believing to get dollars. 50,000. Till. No, it's only logic. The bronze, and you don't know what to tell that person. So let me try to show you how it also pays.
There are very many. For me, just
The bronze that is 37,000. That is money that anyway, any person that really wants to do all. So Nexus packages are very very cheaper, but so Nexus's compensation plan is a very unique one that beats all the networking companies that you've heard of. So this is how the bronze package pays. On your first person, you'll earn 10,000. On your second person, you'll earn 10,000. On your third person, you are going to earn 20,000 plus a matching bonus of 10,000. So this is 30. This is 20, meaning you have your capital back, and
Profits.
from your downlines on the bronze package, you'll be earning 20,000. It moves like that till. But one thing that is with the bronze package, you don't get points or you don't rise in levels. It's just building a team. It's just making you money. But it does not help you rise levels or build points. No. You just earn money. So that is one of the things I don't recommend people. Anyway, what I know for sure is that if that person is serious about working, when the moment you join Sawnexus through the silver package, and you take critical steps and look at how the gold pays and the silver pays, automatically you will like to do what? To upgrade. And remember, upgrading also requires you to pay the same amount as you are starting.
yeah.
Let's assume you are on bronze and you want to upgrade to silver.
Just leave the
You
bronze
are going to pay 75,000 again. Let's say you are on bronze and you want to elevate to silver, you are going to pay 125,000 again. So that is why I'm like, if you really have the money and you're serious about joining, start at the highest level. But that is my idea. I'm not saying that anyone should jump on it, but it's just an idea I always give to people. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen how the system pays. You have seen how the Sawnexus packages, how cheap they are. But I'm going to take you to the inside part of how big this system is.
how you can make millions.
I'm going to show you how these guys invented something that is going to change millions and millions of lives. Of course, those that are willing, it's not that anyone, we all need money, but you will find very few that are willing to put in what it takes to make more money.
Yeah.
So there is what we call, in network marketing, there is what we call a lazy scenario. A lazy scenario. That is something we are going to look at. And it's something, though it's a lazy scenario, it is something that I'm now focused on. A lazy scenario. A lazy scenario bases on what we call teamwork or team building. What does a lazy scenario mean? A lazy scenario is a calculated amount of money that is embedded in a system, in a particular system of networking. Every networking system or networking company has got what we call a lazy scenario. So Nexus has got a lazy scenario that works through a system called the power of 3.